Looking for an easy way to migrate from Freshdesk to Jira Service Management? Meet Help Desk Migration, an automated migration service that makes it simple to bring all your customer data together. Here's how the migration tool works. Simply log in, configure your settings, run a test, and when you're ready, start the full migration. You're in control. Whether you want to import specific records or everything, tickets, agents, companies, contacts, categories, folders, and articles, it's up to you. You also can choose the Jira project and issue type for tickets. Ensure everything lines up perfectly by matching and mapping your fields. If you're missing a custom field, create it right when mapping. Help Desk Migration goes beyond the basics. You can choose how to export your Freshdesk data. Migrate the newest records first, skip attachments to save space, export inline images as attachments, add tags, and even update article crosslinks. Want to see how it all looks before committing? Try a demo migration and check out how your Freshdesk data will look in Jira. Get started with a free trial demo today at the app helpdeskmigration.com.